Hello, the cultural event that I decide is the Harbin Host Festival. They take place once a year in Harbin, China. It's the biggest snow and ice festival around the world. I found it very interesting because you can see and appreciate the magnificent art on the ice as well as the imagination of the artist according to their creation. It is extremely beautiful, I think, and it is so beautiful that it's hard to believe that it's real. And the image that I have seen, I wish I can go and see it one day. For me it was really interesting and beautiful. Is what I decide the Harbin Host Festival in China. Thank you.